The crypto crackdown is here. What should we do? What's up, YouTube community? Welcome to InvestDesk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news, updates, and forecasts. My name is Syed, and we are going to talk about this Sunday afternoon about what is going on with the crypto crackdown, and more importantly, what are we going to do? And that's the important $1 million question. Which strategy are we going to have regarding our crypto portfolios? Are we going to, diversify further, or maybe get rid of some crypto or add crypto? Hey, I'm going to talk about all these three things. So, what's up, YouTube community? Thank you so much for tuning in. Let me go ahead and set up my chat here. We're going to be talking about various crypto crackdowns, such as stable coins are now facing crackdown within the US. And this is, especially if we're talking about the US itself. Now, why is this happening? Why is the Securities and Exchange Commission going after the entire crypto market, more specifically Coinbase that I talked about earlier? And that's important. All right. So, and the reason why, because of course we need to understand that why is this happening, right? So the US officials are discussing launching a formal review into whether Tether, right, this is one of the stable coins, and other stable coins threaten the financial stability. Well, that's pretty strange, right? All of a sudden now, geez, we've been in crypto for what, few years now, and what's going on? So, but they're launching a formal review as to, take a look at all the stable coins that threaten financial stability. And this is the buzzwords that I wanted to mention here, and this is on Bloomberg. This is super exciting, by the way, at the same time, but it's kind of interesting too, because how does crypto threaten financial stability? And we have discussed this, we've talked about this in several live streams, guys, and that's true. People are shifting from fiat currency to cryptocurrency, right? It's more secure, it's not regulated, right? It's not under any formal government structure. And that's what making the Securities and Exchange Commission kind of like, all right, guys, if we can't, stop it, well, let's try to regulate it. And if we cannot regulate it, right, if there are issues in regulating cryptocurrency, well, guess what? Let's do a crackdown, right? Isn't that something obvious? Well, let me know in comments what you think. But yeah, the officials are discussing launching formal review, threatening against stable coins like Tether, for example, threatening financial stability, scrutiny that could lead to dramatically ramped up oversight for a fast growing corner of the crypto market. So after weeks of deliberations, the Treasury Department and other federal agencies are nearing a decision on whether to launch an examination by the Financial Stability Oversight Council. And that's the idea. So the FSOC, of course, has the power to do a lot of things, right? But they want to be able to make sure that if they want to crack down or go against various stable coins, and we're not talking about tokens or initial coin offering. These are stable coins, guys. This is that's really pretty cool, interesting, obviously. So let me know. Let me pick up my comments here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So if you're new to InvestDesk, make sure you subscribe. And of course, smashing the like button is a given, guys. So if you're here, smash the like button. Certainly appreciate it. And of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time. So more importantly, I'm going to talk about what to do. What should we do when there is a certain crackdown, just like we're looking at here. And I'm going to show you a couple of interviews also. So stay tuned. And this is going to be excited as to, once we move forward. So let me get some comments. Thanks so much. Bullish Bradley, I hit like first. I love you, buddy. Thanks so much for hitting the like first. Appreciate it. The mountain, time to buy more. Don't let the whale scare you. We can always move when rich. Absolutely. And we've done so. I shared my portfolio yesterday, guys. If you have not checked this stream yesterday, check it out. We're a little over $1 million, so not bad. And we definitely want to grow for the rest of the quarter this year. And the next year, I have some exciting plans moving forward with InvestDesk. And of course, take you with along the journey of research, of making wise decisions. And of course, this channel is all about bringing you tangible data. So thanks so much for tuning in. Vasant, thanks so much. Appreciate it. Craig Andrus, thank you so much, buddy. Thanks for joining in. Craig says, Syed, invest in 100x coins, such as an incredible project. They also have their own exchange, 100x Altbase. I've made 500K plus since March. Buy low, sell high, then repeat. That's actually not a bad idea. I do that, by the way, in one of my other portfolios. I don't do it on Invest Desk, Craig, but yes. I mean, of course, there's always, trading is all about selling and buying, right? That's the idea. So we sell high and, buy low. That's the fundamental rule of even stock investing. All right, but thanks so much for your comment. Appreciate that. All right, so that's the first news. I'm going to cover the news first, then we'll talk about what should we do, right? What's the deal? What's going on? So crackdown against stable coins, and this is quite interesting. Not just any other crypto guys, not just those new tokens that nobody knows, but this is against Tether. This is against other stable coins. All right, so let's move on to the next one. I want to talk about Coinbase, of course, also facing potential SEC lawsuit. Now, I did cover this a few days ago, but I want to show you, I want to talk about this interview. I want to play this so you can see it and just kind of go through it. It's just 2 minutes, but it's important. And then we'll talk about it, the importance of Coinbase. And because Coinbase, before I do this, hang on, before I do this, let me tell you what Coinbase is all about. If you do not know, check this out, guys. Coinbase started in 2012. This is way, long ago, guys. This is 2012 we're talking about, with a radical idea that anyone, anywhere should be able to easily and securely send and receive Bitcoin. That's the idea behind Coinbase, right? And today, Coinbase offers a trusted, easy-to-use platform. More importantly, guys, check this out. 68 plus million verified users on Coinbase, 462 billion quarterly volume traded, 180 billion assets on Coinbase platform, over 100 countries, and 2,100 plus employees. And the SEC wants to go after Coinbase. Why? Here's the reason. Because Coinbase says that eligible users can pre-enroll to earn an interest on select assets on Coinbase, starting at 4% annual percent yield, APY, on USD coin, which is a dollar coin, dollar USD coin, stable coin. Now, check this out, guys. Earning 4%. I mean, how much does your bank pays you on a certificate of deposit or on your savings account? Yeah, you guessed it. Can someone tell me? Hit me with comments, guys. How much does the bank pay you on this? This is crazy. Less than 4%. Definitely less than 4%. Go Google any bank or whatever. Call up your bank and say, hey, how much do you pay? And they're going to tell you. It's less than 4%. So where should I keep my money, guys? Should I keep my money in Coinbase or at a financial institution? Check it out. This is pretty cool. So with that said, right? Why shouldn't the SEC go after Coinbase, guys, right? That makes sense, doesn't it? It's quite obvious. 4%, and this is, by the way, it's starting at 4%. So that means, certain assets will pay you even higher percent just by holding. Not only Coinbase, other cryptocurrencies like SafeMoon. I did a video, a live stream a few days ago on SafeMoon paying my mortgage. I'm just getting reflections on SafeMoon, just holding SafeMoon, earning monthly, tokens, SafeMoon tokens. So if I were to, let's say, liquidate just those additional reflections, it's equivalent to paying one of my mortgages. So, hey, I mean, which bank would do that? Nothing, no one, right? Not that I know of. If you know of, let me know in comments. If certain banks would give that money to you. All right, but in any case, that's the idea. So I want to talk about, and that's one of the reasons. That's, I think, by far number one reason why SEC or the regulators are going after not only Coinbase but other stable coins as well, because this staking is becoming a huge thing in crypto. And of course, it's definitely better than financial institutions, right? But financial institutions are regulated and crypto is not. And we know that USD coin is a type of cryptocurrency known as stable coin. So USDC is redeemable on a 1:1 basis for the US dollars, backed by the dollar denominated assets, guys, held in segregated accounts with the US regulated financial institutions. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Check it out, guys. We're looking at a stable coin, right? It is backed by a dollar, but yet you're getting 4% on holding a USD coin on Coinbase. Whereas if you put a dollar, fiat currency that is, right, US dollar, into a bank, you're not going to earn anything. You're going to earn probably 1%, 2%, whatever it is, if that. Check it out. Let me know if there's a bank in the United States that pays you on your dollar deposits, how much interest, right? Hey, so guess what? Where is all the money going to go, guys? It's going to go to USD coin. It's going to go to Coinbase, and people are going to just start earning at least 4%, right? Or if not higher. And this is not just Coinbase. This is other cryptos as well. Like staking cryptos, you can earn up to 10%, 12%, 8%. This is crazy. But of course, those exchanges are volatile. But Coinbase is the largest by far in the US, the exchange. So hey, this is like the most secure bank, crypto bank, I should say, right? Not officially, but yeah, that's how it is. So in any case, that's what it is. So let's take a look at what I want to show you, of course, is this video. So check it out.
At the entire industry. Absolutely, and it's well known that the SEC's chair, Gary Gensler, views crypto as the Wild West of the financial system that, quote, desperately needs rules of the road. And what's at issue here is Coinbase's planned launch of a product called Lend, where it would offer interest on stablecoin. Now, that triggered a warning by the SEC, effectively to the entire industry, that it would sue Coinbase if it let customers earn interest on digital tokens. Coinbase CEO, as we just said, blasted the SEC, saying the SEC could create an unfair market if it tries to shut down Lend. Shares of Coinbase, which is the biggest crypto exchange, were down almost 5% intraday, managing to pare the loss by the close to almost 3%. Now, Coinbase did reveal in a blog post that it had received a Wells notice. That is a formal, rather scary notice by the SEC to any company that they may pursue an enforcement action and have in fact opened a formal investigation. It is also a request for more information. Notably, Coinbase's CEO has said that, quote, we're being threatened with a legal action before a single bit of actual guidance has actually been put forth to the industry. He also notes that, quote, regulation by litigation should be a last resort and not a first resort. Heidi?
Soon, in the meantime, at least one Bitcoin supporter, that's a billionaire Mark Cuban, is urging Coinbase to be aggressive in its fight.
Yeah, very aggressive. And we're talking about Mark Cuban, who is a big adversary of the SEC, having won a case against it in 2013 when he was unfairly, as was decided, accused of insider trading. Mark Cuban has put out a series of tweets in which he urges Coinbase to push back in a major way to try to prevent what he says the agency from winning a legal ruling that would allow it to assert more authority over digital coins and DeFi. Cuban, again, prevailed back in 2013, so has taken a very strong stance here. But even former officials of the SEC have indicated they're a bit shocked at the aggressive posture the SEC is taking against crypto. Bitcoin and other digital assets have taken a bit of a hit in the last 48 hours. As we know, there was that flawed rollout in El Salvador to make crypto a legal tender there. And there's now concern of an SEC crackdown and, at the very minimum, increased scrutiny.
All right. So, yeah, this is definitely we're looking at the crackdown, and the reason why is because the fact that SEC cannot get a hold on the crypto market, guys. And that's what causing the Securities and Exchange Commission to just do a crackdown and just start sending notices. Now, Coinbase, of course, has deferred its lend program until October, right? So hopefully they're gonna, settle on something, offhand or whatever it is that they want to do, and there hopefully will not be an official lawsuit. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see what actually happens, at least for the next month or two. Now, for the next month or two, we're looking at, of course, the fact that what should we do during this crypto crackdown, right? So let me get some comments here, guys. Let me get some comments here. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Invest Desk, your #1 channel for cryptocurrency investing, research, daily news updates, and forecasts. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys, if you have not done so already, and the bell notification. And thank you so much for your support, of course, always in super chat, super thanks, super sticker, whatever you guys do. Thanks so much for tuning in. All right, so we'll take a look at the effects of crackdown on crypto market, right? Now, of course, this is definitely going to have, or is having, an impact. Now, what that means is, if I go back to the crypto market, we'll see Bitcoin currently is at 45,000, of almost 46,000. Ethereum is 3,400 rather, and here's the the stable coin Tether is $1, like USD coin and so on. But that's all what SEC is after, guys, after stable coins, right? All right, and of course, Dogecoin is our baby. It's still at number 9 at 24.55 cents. Not bad. And USD coin is at $1 because that's a stable coin. All right, and likewise, we have SafeMoon, of course, and other coins like SafeMoon is, where is it? SafeMoon at? There we go. Perfect. At 1491, it's still 4% down because the chief technology officer quit. The chief operating officer quit for SafeMoon. And of course, unless the CEO comes up with a new, more experienced team, it's probably going to stay at this level as we speak. And Promise Token, I covered all of these yesterday. Promise Token is about 10% up, is 8797. In fact, there's a little bit of jump in Promise Token, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully, as time progresses, as more holders are added to Promise Token. But yeah, that's the deal. All right, so a couple of more news I want to cover regarding Coinbase. I talked about that, and SEC, of course, wants to regulate Coinbase, and Coinbase promises at least 4% APY. I talked about that. There's going to be more. Now, what should we do? What should be our strategy? Now, there are 2-3 options. This is important. 2-3 options that I can think of, and I want to share with you guys. First, of course, is to buy more, right? Because crypto is not going anywhere, and that's for sure, guys. That's for sure. It doesn't matter what happens. I mean, this is not the first time there's a crackdown, China crackdown on Bitcoin. And even prior, if you recall, 4 or 5 months ago, there was another crackdown and so on. So this is going to continue until and unless there's a formal structure, which is probably going to take, years. Yeah, if not months, definitely. So in that time, there's going to be a high, volatility in the crypto market, which is a real moneymaker for a lot of experienced crypto investors. You can do pretty well, That's not bad. Just like Craig commented, right? You can do a buy, sell high or buy low, or you can do dollar cost averaging. There are multiple strategies. So one of the options, of course, is to continue to invest and find the stable coins, right? The other option that we have, of course, is to diversify, right? In other words, get into more financial assets or real assets, like we did at Invest Desk. We got into real estate. So if you check out my stream yesterday, when I show my portfolio, we bought some properties. So that's real assets. It's going to help you save on taxes as well. I've covered that yesterday. Go check out the live stream. So that's the second option, right? And of course, third is just to bail out completely, which again, it's something that I don't want to even think about myself, because we're still in crypto. So primarily the 2 options. Let me know what you think and other comments too. If you think there are other things to look at, definitely. So thanks so much for tuning in. Odinga, thanks so much, buddy, for joining in. Buy all dips since good cryptos are the future. Yeah, definitely. Bitcoin, like we bought Bitcoin at InvestDesk. I shared my portfolio, almost $36,000 of Bitcoin is already part of InvestDesk. So hey, awesome. That's the idea. That's what I want to do, and that's what we're looking at, right? So two options that I talked about. There's definitely a crypto crackdown. This is going to continue probably for the next couple of months, 3-4 months, as we move forward. So, make your own decisions, guys. Do your own research, and that's really, the idea. So either you want to diversify or you want to buy more crypto. I'm doing both, by the way, because I bought Bitcoin and then, of course, also bought real estate. Hey, that's really the key. All right, so Vasan says real estate is at peak in USA. That's true. It's not bad. Actually, we bought a lot, and or prior to that, I bought some other residential property, and it's almost 20-30% up, right? So definitely, and of course, if you add the savings on taxes, it's going to be even higher. So yeah, definitely that's a strategy that, of course, InvestDesk is utilizing for its own self. So I'm sharing this knowledge, and again, make your own decisions, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Everyone knows this here, but I do my research. I share my knowledge and experience here at InvestDesk, so you can make informed decisions. All right. So Abe Martinez says, get some comments here. Why would we not put our money into this? Banks offer us nothing. They will collapse if they don't get on board. You bet. That's the deal. That's the idea. That's exactly what I mentioned, right? This is the most important aspect of the crypto crackdown, because banks are not giving us anything, whereas crypto, just by parking our dollars in crypto and just converting dollars into crypto and just leaving it there, is paying you 4%, 5%, even 11-12% certain exchanges. But Coinbase, by far the most stable and the largest exchange in the US, is giving you more than 4% on certain assets. Boom. Why wouldn't we do this, right? Absolutely. Thanks so much, Abe, for your comment. Appreciate that. All right, Craig says, I bought 100K of CRO earlier in this year, currently up 150% on it. Do you believe in the project? Some projections are calling in high double digits, but it seems super stagnant lately. Thoughts? I've noted this. I'm going to take a look at the CRO, and of course, we'll talk about this next time. Craig, thanks so much for your comments. Easy says, hello, Syed. Hey, buddy. Nice to see you. SafeMoon is getting a stronger team. You bet. I'm talking to the team. I'm going to be covering, of course, SafeMoon as we go along, as new people come in, and we're going to see some big jumps in SafeMoon, guys. I mean, this is the time where we understand that, of course, markets go up and down, guys. So right now, SafeMoon probably is a good buy, right? So at 1.5, not bad. So think about it. It's something that you want to definitely do your own research. And yeah, we're still in SafeMoon, and we're hoping that the SafeMoon is going to take another 5x, 10x in the next few months, and boom, we'll be in the money one more time. So we'll see how it goes. All right, Mr. Lava, what's up, buddy? Thanks so much. Nice to see you too. Voyager gives you 9% for holding. Thanks so much for your comment. Yeah, I did ask that. 9% for holding USDC. So you should check it out. Yeah, definitely. I will. So 9%. I mean, geez, that's crazy. That's amazing. Not even the stock market gives you that much, by the way, just so you know. Like Fidelity or Charles Schwab, all these giants, they don't even give you that much, right? Well, sometimes they do 12%, but on average, stock market gives you about 8%, 9%, somewhere around there. But crypto is giving you this right off the bat. So yeah, thanks so much for your comment. We'll definitely check it out. And that's the idea, and that's why, by the way, the SEC in the US is cracking down on the crypto market. And why wouldn't they, right? And not just crypto, by the way, they're cracking down on stable coins. I mean, come on, give us a break. Either way, guys, crypto is not going anywhere. It doesn't matter what the government does or any government does globally. Bitcoin is here to stay. Every crypto is here to stay, and it's just not here to stay. It's growing. we're seeing rather, every single day, new crypto, new currencies, people are transacting. Like Dogecoin, for example. I mean, we started with Dogecoin at 4 cents, and check it out, it's at 25 cents. It went all the way up to 70 cents. It's backed up by Elon Musk and many other, people. It's the cryptocurrency. Companies are using it. Retailers are using it. I mean, it's a currency. It's just not regulated, right? So that's the deal with the government. They're just afraid, guys, and they've always been, and there always will be, but not a problem where the crypto, is here to stay. And now crypto is offering us staking, and it's getting more common and common, right? It's like 4%, 7%, 9%. Like one of the comments said, Voyager is giving us 9%, even higher sometimes, by the way. Like SafeMoon is giving us reflections, which is sort of like the same thing, right? Either they pay you in percent, or you're earning money on reflections or getting more SafeMoon tokens, right? Yeah, and that's paying my mortgage, by the way. Check out the live stream. Not bad. All right, so this is why the regulators are panicking, right? And they're going after Coinbase and other stable coins. But what should we do? I covered two options. Either we can diversify, and of course, or continue to invest in crypto market as we move forward, and of course, look for those opportunities in crypto. And we have been like buy low and of course sell high if you want to trade crypto, or if you want to have a long-term strategy of holding crypto. Either way, do your own research, and that's the best way to move forward. All right, guys, so that's all I had. Thanks so much. It's Sunday afternoon. Hope you guys are having a blast, a wonderful day. Let me know in comments. So if you're new to Invest Desk, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button if you have not done so already. Certainly appreciate that. And thank you all for your support. Thank you for your support or super chats, super stickers. Thank you so much for whatever you guys do. Let me know in comments of additional coins. And I will definitely look into CRO and other staking options. I'll be putting up more live streams next week. Some exciting research I'm going to share next week with you guys regarding SafeMoon, regarding Promise Token, regarding Dogecoin, and all the crypto market. So hang in there, and thanks for tuning in. Certainly appreciate it. Easy says we have bigger communities in crypto and more institutional money in crypto. You bet. Yeah, and that's a great point, by the way. And if you recall, Bitcoin, or Coinbase rather, has almost 50% of Bitcoin assets, right? Yeah, that's how it is. But in any case, thanks so much, guys. I got to run. It's Sunday. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So thanks so much. Appreciate it. Have yourself a wonderful day, and I will see you guys